Welcome to Code Challenge number 45. So let's add to the difficulty. So we have been looking at iterating by one or counting by ones. Let's count by twos. So you knew this was coming, or I hope you knew this was coming, and we need to count by larger numbers just to see it in practice. Now, this may not be something that you'll actually do in a working code scenario, but really understanding what's going on so that your students are not lost in understanding the code value. Again, we're going to still start our code count at 0, but our display elements and our code will look a little bit differently. We're just going to use some different numbers. This is really, really important. Stop before reaching the number 20. And then, of course, challenge your students as to what numbers would be displayed if these two conditions are true. Repeating only 10 times and count by twos. Okay, so hopefully you get that and we'll move forward. So let's take a look at the pseudocode. Repeat a loop 10 times, count by twos, stop before 20, start at 0, repeat 10 times, and then iterate by twos. So we're actually 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, just like that. So the display will be numbers 0 through 8 by twos, or 18, excuse me, and we can prove that. And really that's why I do this, I'm running the program so that we can actually see it in proof. So the pseudocode looks like this, and the flowchart looks like this. Our code looks like this. Let's see it run. So repeat a loop 10 times, count by twos. And let's make sure that that reads as a 2. Stop before reaching 20. So there's our multiplication. 10 times 2 is 20. Stop before reaching, because we want 10 iterations. We want 10 loops. We want it to count 10 times. However, like I said, it's going to count 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 rather than 1, 2, 3, 4. So with that being said, let's go ahead and run it. And that's exactly what it does. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We do have 10 loops. We are counting by twos. And of course, we can count more. But this is really basically the learning point. How do we get that code to do that work for us? I'll see you in the next challenge.